Previously on the ShootAll Ballers.
Picking up my sunny truck from the docks. What are the chances of seeing some police around here?
And now the continuation.
Cold start. You got to do 2 pumps apparently. Starts up so well. So a fun fact about this is what I found when I was giving it a little polish. You can actually see where the stickers used to be on the doors, and it actually says Seihoku Tyre Service. And I did a bit of googling and found that in Shizuoka there is Seihoku Tyre Service, and it's a little tyre shop, and this must have been their old shop truck. It's quite a cool little Easter egg.
So Nissan Sunny, where did this little gem come from?
I found it in Japan, and I've got my contact in Japan to then ship it over.
So this is a Sunny, what engine size?
1200.
1200, a little tiny thing, but then it's a tiny little car.
Yeah,
so
it actually only weighs 730 kilos.
Christ, that's crazy. So what are the plans for it?
The plans are just to do it up, get it roadworthy, and make it look cool, and then sell it on, really.
Should be quite easy to look cool.
Yeah.
So have you had to do much to it since it came off the boat, or?
Not a lot really, just cosmetic stuff like the door cards I redone. You'll see a video of that. And track rod ends, and just clean up the exhaust. I think what else I've done. Yeah, that's about it. Just little bits, tidy up wiring, degreased the engine bay, repainted a few bits.
Been a bit of a learning curve, something working on this, or is it quite similar to the Celica?
Similar to my old Mini actually.
Oh really? So let's see how this thing goes on the road. Should we go for a drive?
Yeah, let's take it out.
Cool. That is an incredible little car. I can't believe just how, well, not smooth, it is a bit bouncy, but like how, I don't know, strong it feels. I was expecting everything to rattle and bang and creak, and there'd be holes in the floor and all sorts, but it's incredible.
It's alright.
It's been well looked after, but it's obviously shown because it's sold already, isn't it?
It has now sold, yeah.
Yes.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah, so plans for the money?
Well, the reason I've sold it so quick, basically, there's a car that I wanted to buy, and it came back up for sale. So
right.
I bought it, yeah.
Oh, and we'll see more of that next time.
Oh yeah.